Hello guys, today I'm going to show you why CNC, a healthcare company with massive upside potential, is one of the most undervalued stocks on the market right now, with a potential appreciation of over 90% in 2025. My name is ATP, and in this video I'll walk you through my CNC's fair value calculation, the reasons behind its strong outlook, and how it fits into my investment strategy. Plus, stay tuned until the end where I will reveal 3 more undervalued stocks that could also deliver impressive returns this year. Let's get started. Firstly, I want to thank XTB for supporting this video. As you probably know by now, XTB offers 0% commission on both real stocks and ETFs, with a minimum transaction value of just €10. These conditions apply to monthly volumes up to €100,000, and above that, there is just a 0.2% commission with a minimum of €10. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to use XTB for commission-free investing, check the link in the description for my full tutorial. Besides that, with XTB you also get access to the powerful XStation 5 platform, where you can not only trade forex, crypto or commodities, but also create long-term portfolios with real stocks and ETFs. Let me now show you how simple it is to deposit funds. Just click on the orange deposit button, select deposit money, and here you can choose between card, PayPal or bank transfer. I will go with the bank transfer option. Now I just need to go to my bank, Revolut in my case, enter the details, select the amount I want to send, in this case €150, and enter my account number on the reference, which is visible in the top right corner of the XStation 5 screen. After confirming and sending the transfer, the funds arrive very quickly, as you can see. Now let's jump into this month's top stock, Centene Corporation with the ticker CNC. CNC is a multinational healthcare enterprise that provides services to government-sponsored healthcare programs. With millions of members, it plays a crucial role in healthcare access across the US. Despite its importance and size, the stock is trading far below its fair value, which is exactly what it caught my attention. Over the last 2 years, the stock has dropped significantly, and right now it's 40% below its all-time high, trading at around $60 per share. That's a rare opportunity for a company of this scale. If we analyze the daily chart of SNC using TradingView, we can see that over time this has been a very stable stock. Historically, it has respected the 600-period SMA line, the smoothed moving average, which has acted as a strong support level. However, since August 2022, CNC has been in a downtrend and is now trading below the SMA line, a signal that, based on historical price action, often indicates a great buying opportunity. In fact, CNC recently respected the support level around $55, not once but twice, confirming it as a key zone for a potential bounce. Adding to that, recent earnings have been positive, and the next earnings report is expected later this April, with analysts forecasting another solid performance. Now, to confirm CNC's upside, let's calculate its fair value using multiple valuation models. Unlike other stocks where we use the DCF model from Finbox, in this case we are using the comparable companies model, as CNC does not have DCF data available. Finbox provides us with 3 different calculations. With a price to sales multiple, CNC shows a potential upside of 41%, with a price to earnings multiple, a potential growth of 29%, and 25% with the price to book multiple. Then, according to professional investors' forecasts on the premium Simply Wall Street website, CNC is 73.7% undervalued, with a fair price above $200. Additionally, if we scroll down, we can see that its current price-to-earnings ratio of 8.9 is well below what is expected for this company, meaning that its current price is very cheap. Continuing with another valuation method from MarketBeat, CNC's fair value shows a 35% upside, with an average price target of $79.92. Then I also like to check the alpha spread analysis, which calculates 3 scenarios: a base case with a fair value of around $170, an optimistic one at $234, and a worst case scenario at $138. So even in a bad scenario, this stock has an amazing growing potential. Finally, I also like to check the value investing calculations. For CNC, it predicts an upside of 33% during the next 12 months, with a fair value of $79.72. So, when we average all of these values together, CNC's fair value comes out to around $113. And since the stock is currently trading at around $59.34, this gives us a 90% potential upside, which is currently one of the most promising setups I've seen this year. So let's now head over to Xstation 5 and buy some shares. So let's search for CNC in the market watch, select the stock option, not the CFD, and check the price action on the chart. Now, to buy shares, we can right-click on the chart and select the option that says New Order, and we just have to choose how many shares we want to buy. With XTB, you can buy whole or fractional shares. In my case, for this month, I will buy 2 shares. Now, we just have to click on the green button that says Buy, confirm the order, and it's done. If you are looking for more great opportunities this month, here are 3 bonus picks. The first one is Tesla. Currently trading at around $278, it has a fair value close to $410, giving you a potential upside close to 50%. Tesla remains a top pick for long-term growth. Another opportunity is on Best Buy, one of the most solid retail players in the US. Trading at around $75, it has a fair value of $105. That's about a 40% potential appreciation, and it pays a high dividend too, around 5%. Lastly, we have Comcast, which was the stock I bought last month. Even though it has already gone up slightly, it still presents a strong investment opportunity. For more information, you can check out the previous video where I did the full analysis. If you want to discover more stocks with great potential and gain access to my real-time portfolio of stocks and ETFs, feel free to check out my website, algotradepro.com. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it. Let me know in the comments what stocks you are watching this month. See you in the next episode, and happy investing. Bye bye.